lightning ridge. At 31 he was working high on the Sydney Harbour Bridge, when he put down his name for a TV show. He got on the box and he let us know there's a fire inside of you and me, just waiting to be free. Where the buffalo runs with the western wind, and the crocodile shivers in its wrinkled skin, where the thunder rolls like an old man ditch, and lightning crashes on the sandstone ridge, where they dance in the firelight at corroboree. Did he wonder how his life would be? His face was shown all around the world, and the world fell in love with him. On a US trip, he wrote a script to see if it would sink or swim. And like the strange dark opal from his native ground, it took a while for Hollywood to come around. But when the curtain rose on that silver screen, we met Michael J. Dundee. Where the buffalo runs with the western wind, and the crocodile shivers in its wrinkled skin, where the thunder rolls like an old man ditch, and the lightning crashes on the sandstone ridge, where they dance in the firelight at corroboree. It's where you'll find Crocodile Dundee. Blurred as he ruled the world from his home in LA town. The legend grew, but he always knew a king can lose his crown. Though the story of his hometown is yet to be told, you search for opal and it turns to gold. You can swim against the tide or you can build a bridge, like the boy from Lightning Ridge. Where the buffalo runs with the western wind, and the crocodile shivers in its wrinkled skin, where the thunder rolls like an old man ditch, and lightning crashes on the sandstone ridge, where they dance in the firelight at corroboree. It's where you'll find Crocodile Dundee. Where the buffalo runs with the western wind, and the crocodile shivers in its wrinkled skin, where the thunder rolls like an old man ditch, and lightning crashes on the sandstone ridge, where they dance in the firelight at corroboree. It's where you'll find Crocodile Dundee.
When the westerly blows. what the lavender boys do every day. Thirsty work, digging up the stone and clay. They're gonna hit color, but not today. They're gonna hit color, but not today. Kicking up a cloud of grawl and dust. Kicking up a cloud of grawl and dust. The color of the sun, gritty as a heap of rust. Lavender boys are kicking up the ground and dust. Get in your ears and up your nose. Let you guess where else it goes. Lock your brakes and rot your clothes. You better watch out when the westerly blows. Up into the light of day, driving to the club, raising red dust all the way. Up to the club in the scrub, just another day. That's the way it goes in the old game. That's the way it goes in the old game. Where else it goes. Lock your brakes and rot your clothes. You better watch out